Welcome to Simple Ample. Myself Praveen. Today I will be showing you how to make your Instagram account private. Why it is necessary. See, most of the time you would not want to have your profile public for some reasons. Like, see, normally it happens with girls or female who would usually want to have their profile private to just stay away from offenders. So for them, I have this video. Okay, I'll open Instagram. What you need to do is you have to go to your profile, click on menu, then click on settings. Let's go to account. So this one is like you can convert your personal account to professional account. This is another feature. So if you would like to have a personal account converted into professional account, like business or like individual professional, you can convert this way. So what I would do is today I will go to privacy. So this is where like we would want to have our public account converted into private. So you can see account privacy section below connections. Click on account privacy. So this is one feature like where you need to enable or disable from being public Instagram account to a private account. So if I click on this slider, my account goes as private account. So if I switch off the slider, my account become a public account. Hope you understood like how to convert your Instagram from being public to a private account. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to this channel. I would be sharing much more videos like this. Thanks for watching.